Hey, welcome back to Rodgers Labs. Ever wondered how companies build apps or store data without owning a single server? In part 2 of our cloud computing playlist, we're breaking down the 3 main types of cloud services: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Let's get started. First up, IaaS, or Infrastructure as a Service. Think of IaaS like renting the raw materials for a house: walls, plumbing, electricity. You get virtual machines, storage, and networking from providers like Amazon's AWS EC2 or Microsoft Azure Virtual Machine. You control the setup, installing your own software or operating systems. It's perfect for businesses needing flexibility, like a startup building a custom app but not wanting to buy physical servers. With IaaS, you rent the infrastructure and build what you need. Next, PaaS, or Platform as a Service. Imagine PaaS as a furnished apartment. You get the basics set up so you can focus on living there. PaaS provides tools and environments for developers to build and deploy apps without worrying about managing servers or updates. Think Google App Engine or Heroku or AWS Elastic Beanstalk. Developers use PaaS to write code and launch apps quickly, like a website or a mobile game, while the cloud provider handles the backend stuff. It's all about speed and simplicity. Finally, SaaS, or Software as a Service. This is like staying in a hotel. Everything's ready for you to use. SaaS delivers fully functional software over the internet, like Gmail, Dropbox, or Zoom. You don't install anything, you just log in and start working. Businesses and individuals love SaaS for its ease. Think of a team using Google Docs to collaborate or Zoom for meetings. It's cloud computing at its most user-friendly, with no setup required. So how do they compare? Think of IaaS as renting a house. You control the whole setup. PaaS is like a furnished apartment, giving you tools to create without the hassle. SaaS is a hotel stay. Just show up and use the app. Each type serves different needs, from building custom systems with IaaS to running ready-made software with SaaS. In our next video, we'll explore how these services are deployed in the cloud. That's a wrap on cloud service types. If you're loving this series, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Rodgers Labs. In part 3, we'll dive into cloud deployment models like public, private, and hybrid clouds. Don't miss it.